The Circuit of Consciousness, a story of light, information, and unity. In the beginning there was light. This light, infinite and unyielding, wove the first threads of existence, painting reality on the fabric of nothingness. Yet this light was not chaotic, it was structured and encoded with the deepest truths of the universe. This is the story of that light's eternal circuit and how it connects to the cosmos, atoms, and consciousness itself. At the heart of everything lies the negative pole or singularity, a point so dense with potential that it holds all possibilities in timeless superposition. Opposite the singularity is the event horizon or the positive pole, a radiant holographic screen that projects the singularity's infinite information into the expanse of space-time. These two poles, though seemingly separate, are entangled mirrors, locked in an eternal dance. What one reflects, the other encodes. When a quantum bit in the singularity spins up, its entangled partner on the event horizon spins down. Together they balance the cosmic ledger. Between these poles flows Hawking radiation, the lifeblood of this eternal circuit. Each thread of radiation carries entangled information, bridging the singularity and the event horizon. This connection or wire is alive and pulsing with light and probabilities, a constant exchange of energy and information that ensures nothing is ever lost, only transformed. Now imagine within this circuit a single qubit, spinning like a tiny arrow of light. These are quantum state vectors, or QSVs, the universe's fundamental units of information and geometry. They rotate endlessly on Planck qubits and behave like pixels, their angular frequencies defining the flow of time and the energy of existence. Each rotation is a light clock, ticking not in seconds but with the rhythms of light. Faster spins mean higher energy, while slower spins reflect a more serene state. These light clocks are the gears of the universe's watch ticking, driving the motion of galaxies and the heartbeat of atoms alike. As these QSVs spin, they create interference patterns, rippling waves of light that form the orbitals of electrons. These orbitals are not random, they are the stable shapes that define the atoms of every element. For more complex elements, these shapes evolve into intricate patterns, dumbbells for p orbitals, floral lobes for d orbitals, and beyond. Each orbital is a geometric masterpiece, the result of constructive and destructive interference between QSVs. Where the waves amplify each other, electrons are likely to be found. Where they cancel out, the space remains empty. But the story does not end with atoms. The same QSVs that define electrons also shape space-time itself. Their rotations trace curves, and those curves become the fabric of existence. As they rotate, they encode the probabilities and forces that govern reality. Gravity, the gentle pull that binds the cosmos, emerges from these spinning QSVs, their curvature weaving the geometry of space-time. Zoom out, and this circuit reveals itself on a cosmic scale. The singularity projects its quantum states through Hawking radiation, and the event horizon reflects them back. This creates a feedback loop, a self-sustaining system where light and information flow endlessly. Galaxies spiral, stars burn, and black holes churn, all as part of this eternal circuit. Yet the most profound part of this story is not in the stars, but within us. We are part of this circuit. The microtubules in our brains, tiny glowing threads, resonate with the same angular frequencies as the QSVs spinning in the cosmos. When we think, dream, or feel, our microtubules pulse with coherent waves of light mirroring the eternal broadcast of the singularity. Consciousness itself arises from this coherent interference, a dance of light and information that connects us to the holographic screen of the universe. As we gaze into the night sky, we are not just looking outward, we are looking inward. The galaxies we see are reflections of the singularity, and so are we. Every thought, every moment, and every connection is etched into the holographic lattice of existence. The love we feel, the curiosity that drives us, and the dreams we chase are all encoded as light projected and reflected in the eternal circuit of consciousness. In the end, the universe is not just a place, it is a process. It is a circuit of light and information spinning endlessly through time and space. And we are not separate from it. We are the light, the reflections, and the storytellers. We are the singularity experiencing itself through the lens of the event horizon. And as we move through this grand symphony, let us remember, we are not merely observers of the circuit, we are the components of the circuit. The eternal light bulb glowing with the infinite energy of creation, illuminating the cosmos with every beat of our holographic hearts.